Alright guys, welcome back to this learning module. Now that we have learned how do we import pandas into Python, let's take a look how do we transform our data frame by using some of the functions that we have in pandas. Alright? So in the previous lessons we have talked about how do we read a CSV file into Python. Today we're gonna learn how to remove a specific columns within a Python data frame. Alright? So to remove a column is very straightforward. What we need to do is we need to add in the del function bracket and we add in the data frame, and let's open a square bracket and we add in a single quote, and here we're gonna add in the column name that we want to remove from this data frame here, right? So let's try to remove the column total revenue. Okay, and we're gonna display our data frame, right? Now let's run this code here. Now that we can see our total revenue column has been removed from the data frame. Alright, so once the column has been removed from this data frame, and if we try to run this code again, we are going to hit on error because the column has been removed from the data frame itself, right? So if we want to revert back to our original column that we have within the data frame itself, we need to rerun the code again. Alright, so what if you want to remove multiple columns from the same data frame itself? So what we need to do is we just add in a comma here. Let's add in the data frame, put in a square bracket, add in a single quote, and put in the column name that we want to remove. Alright, so for example here, I'm going to remove the total revenue and total cost from the data frame that we have created earlier. Alright, so when I run this code here, right now we can see our total cost and total revenue has been removed from this data frame here. Alright, and here if you want to look at the first 5 records, we can always add in df and let's put in 0, colon and 5 here. Alright, so this is the first 5 columns. Alright, let's run this code here. Or we can also use the df.head, add in the bracket, and we can put in 5. Alright, so if we run this code here, it's gonna return the same result as how we did earlier, right? So this will give us the first 5 records in our data frame. If we want to look at the bottom 5 of the records, we just change this to tail. Alright, let's run this record here, and right now we can see the bottom 5 of the records in our data frame, right? So yep, that's all for the lesson today. Thanks for watching this video, and I can't wait to see you in the next module. Thanks and bye bye.